Hey everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Today I am going to put together with you a little vignette on my kitchen counter. And I'm going to be using our lemon theme, naturally. Of course I am. And what I'm going to be using is this cheese. And it was a container. When I worked at the grocery store, when they would bring in the imported cheeses, they always would bring them in these type, and it's kind of like a peach basket, you know, that they used to have in the stores. I don't know if you remember or not, but I always left it this color. I never stained it because I liked the light wood against certain things for certain holidays. So I'm using this. So this was just, I asked the vendor when they came in one time if I could have it, and he said, yeah, sure. I wish I would have taken more now. Anyway, that's what we're going to put it on. Use it like you would a tray. And then I printed out some more prints, and I thought this farmer's market strawberry picture was really, really cute. And it just says Market Square, Farmers Market, Baked Goods, Artisan Crafts. So we're going to cut that where the white isn't showing. And today we're down in the kitchen. Since I'm going to be putting it here, I thought it just better to bring everything down here. So you have that. Okay, so now we have the tray and the picture. Now what I did is I took one of our baskets that I got from Michael's a couple years ago. And these, I love these. And this is a strawberry plant that I've had for quite a few years. And this was from Hobby Lobby. I'm just going to stick it in there. I'm not putting any kind of styrofoam. Don't need it. Then we're going to put our bunny that we made. Remember with the plaster of Paris and the chocolate mold? So he's going to go in there. And then I have a straw hat. And I'm going to get my ribbon, the black and white ribbon, like this. And I'm going to put it around this hat to bring in more of the black and white. And then this jar, I just spray painted the cap and put some jute, and then here's some lemons in there. Then I'm using one of the candle holders that I've had for, oh my gosh, 2-3 years from Hobby Lobby. And then here are some of those flowers that I got from Hobby Lobby. And then this greenery came from Michael's. So I'm going to put that in there. Then I'm going to add a couple of strawberries from Hobby Lobby, and I will put this on top of here to give it height. And this is just a Dollar Tree candlestick that I spray painted with the rub oil bronze, and then just put some jute around there. So I will be back as soon as I get the ribbon for the hat, and we'll get started. Okay, I'm back, and I got the black ribbon. So what I'm going to do is just tie, well, first I want to measure out about, that's cute. Bring it down here. I think I'm going to use this thin one. It's easier, and because I don't want to glue this on, because I might want to use other ribbons for different occasions, and I already have a couple ideas what I'm going to do with this. So I don't want to permanently put anything on this straw hat. So what I'm going to do is tie this on. Okay. So I just have, and I just wanted to add a little bit of that black and white. That's all I wanted to do. This one wasn't tying as nice, so I'm just going to leave, like I said, because I do not want to glue anything on. Might do something with that. I might get a straight pin. I'll go upstairs and get a straight pin and just put the straight pin through it, and that's how I'm going to hold it. But I'm going to put that to the side for now. So now we have our picture cut, plant in the little container, ribbon on. So what I'm going to do now is decide. So this is going to be in the forefront of everything. And then it's just a matter of putting things where you think you might want them. Again, I'm not making that permanent because there's other things that I'm sure I will do with that. And then let's see, this one I think, put that back. And this is the way I do, you guys, when I'm decorating my house, I will go, you wouldn't believe it, I go over and over and tweak and you name it. There, I like that. Okay. I think I want that here because I want to see where it says the ball mason jar. And then I think what I'm going to do, let me just get this hat put kind of where I want it. You know what, you guys? I don't think I'm even going to use a straight pin. Since it's just going to be laying in here, no one's going to be bugging it. I'm just going to lay it right on, and no one's going to know the difference. Only me and you. Okay. And then, let's see, where... Okay, kind of spread that out. And hiding the little branch under here a little bit so you don't see it quite so. I'm going to turn that this way so it's kind of cockeyed. You know me, I always like things off center. Okay, good. And then the strawberry sign that we printed out from Google. Don't know if I want it there. And I'm just going to lay a couple of these strawberries right by the hat and over here. And some more of the white flowers I think I'll put over here. Well, that was short and sweet and fast, but sometimes these things just go together relatively quickly. So let me bring the camera down. Up here, I just, like I say, I think I like that little sign where it is. And then down here is the hat. And then our bunny. those little flowers that I got from Hobby Lobby. And then just a strawberry with some of that greenery from Michael's. And then the lemons are in the jar. And then that's on top of a candlestick, as well as the strawberries are on a candlestick. Just, do you see the difference in the height? And that's what I like. I like things different, all different heights. I just don't like everything flat down. So that's it, guys. That is my little vignette that I'll be using in my lemon decor. So I hope that you will print out some of this stuff, get your chocolate molds, make whatever you want to make, put it into some kind of a vignette. Doesn't cost a lot of money. And you'll have something that no one else exactly does. Guys, until next time, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.